Lian, do you have an update on the vote buying in Lawag?
Yung flip ng situation sa Lawag, Michelle, is went like this, no? Kasi nandun tayo ng almost the whole week, this week lang, tapos report natin yung pilahan, yung public na pilahan. We also covered the privileged speech of Team Fariñas, but a day after we reported on those lines, we forwarded it to COMELEC. The day after, may nangyaring arestuhan, pero yung arestuhan hindi sa Team Marcos, kundi dun sa kalaban, dun sa pinsan, kay Mayor Michael Marcos yun. And the day after, he said in a press conference that he cannot respond to a show cause order that hasn't been served to him officially. Kausap ko kanina lang yung mga sources ko on the ground, and they're saying mas marami pa yung pilahan. They're being held in venues that have not been held there before. So dati kasi alam na nila yung mga pinupuntahan. It's this one house na sinasabi na sa atin kung sino yung may-ari. But meron daw mga bago ngayon. And my sources tell me na merong bagong style ngayon. They're not sure who it's coming from. May bagong style daw ngayon na may filter na. So before you can go to the venue kung saan magbibigay ng pera, i-verify muna yung mga pangalan. So may preliminary na nangyayari na kailangan marinig mo yung pangalan mo bago mo malaman kung saan ka pupunta. I also heard COMELEC Chairman George Garcia saying that wala namang nakakarating sa kanilang affidavit na merong vote buying yung part ng Team Marcos, whereas yung Team Keon ay inaresto mismo ng Lawag City Police. Mayor Keon also fears that this weekend magkakaroon ng curfew yung buong probinsya. He says that putting curfews over the province is a way to discreetly give money and intimidate voters. But as of last checking, kanina lang, mga hours ago, wala pa namang nangyayaring curfew sa Ilocos Norte. Team Marcos has just had a star-studded meeting de avance. Thursday night, maraming mga artista. You know that it's been really well-prepared, well-funded. You'd think that it's an alyansa sortie by the sheer magnitude of it, but that's always how Team Marcos has done it. Wala pa si BBM nung Thursday meeting de avance ng Team Marcos, but we expect him to be going to Ilocos Norte soon to be able to vote in Batak on Monday, Michelle.